Hello, this is another video to show a wee trick on the Toyota Alphard. This is how you turn off the seatbelt warning chimes or the beeps when you're driving. Obviously don't drive without a seatbelt, but if you want to turn this off for whatever reason is yours, this is how you do it. Again, this is a 2005. There's some videos online that also show the push button start. This is a key start, but it still seems to work fine. So what we do is turn the ignition to on. Make sure that your odometer is reading odometer and not trip A or trip B. Turn the engine back off again and back to the on position again without starting the engine. Then hold the trip button down for 20 seconds. Okay, after 20 seconds, click in your seatbelt and you'll see the odometer now reads B off or B on, and you can just toggle that by pressing the trip switch. So beep on, beep off, and hopefully you found that helpful. Thank you.